Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. In the name of Allah. Dear student, user, interested. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. The third part, lesson under the title, The Rectangle or Square-like.
Introduction and Goals. Dear student, user, interested. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In this meeting, or lesson, we will discuss the third part under the title, The Rectangle. Square-like. Goals. 1. Knowing the concept of the rectangle. Square-like. 2. Listing the differences between a square and a rectangle, or a square-like shape. 3. Listing the similarities between the square and the rectangle, or square-like. 4. Deducing the reason why a rectangle is called a square-like shape. The basic question. The rectangle, or square-like. 1. Have you ever thought of a new name for the rectangle? 2. Can a rectangle be called a square-like, and why? Defining the concept of the rectangle. First definition. A rectangle is a parallelogram with right angles. Each angle measures 90 degrees. Second definition. A rectangle is a parallelogram with one right angle, an angle measuring 90 degrees. Defining the concept of the square. First definition. The square is a parallelogram with congruent sides and right angles. Second definition. The square is a parallelogram with sides of equal length and one right angle. Defining the concept of the rectangle. Third definition. A rectangle is a two-dimensional quadrilateral geometric shape characterized by having opposite sides that are equal in length and parallel, and all four of its angles being right angles, each measuring 90 degrees. Defining the concept of the square. Third definition. The square is a quadrilateral geometric shape characterized by having sides of equal length and four equal right angles, each angle measuring 90 degrees. The square is considered as a special case of both the rectangle and the rhombus. Distinctive properties of the rectangle. 1. Each pair of opposite sides is parallel. 2. Each pair of opposite sides is congruent. 3. All its angles are right angles. Distinctive properties of the square. 1. Each pair of opposite sides is parallel. 2. All its sides are congruent. 3. All its angles are right angles. Differences between square and rectangle. 1. Sides. A. Square. All its sides are exactly equal. B. Rectangle. Each pair of opposite sides is equal, length and width. 2. Diagonals. A. Square. They are perpendicular and intersect at a 90-degree angle. B. Rectangle. They are equal in length and do not intersect at a right angle. 3. Axes of symmetry, square. A. Square. It has 4 axes of symmetry. B. Rectangle. It has only 2 axes of symmetry.
Similarities between square and rectangle. Common characteristics or similarities between square and rectangle. 1. Quadrilaterals have 4 sides and 4 vertices. 2. All interior angles are right angles measuring 90 degrees. 3. Opposite sides are parallel and equal in length. 4. The diagonals of each are equal in length and bisect each other. 5. Both are considered special cases of a parallelogram.
Summary. Reason for the proposed name. 1. There are multiple similarities between square and rectangle. 2. The differences between square and rectangle are not fundamental. 3. The uses of square and rectangle are largely identical. 4. Every square is a rectangle, but every rectangle is not necessarily a square. 5. The square and the rectangle belong to the family of parallelograms.
Think of this. Dear student, user, interested. Rectangle or square-like. Use critical thinking to determine the validity of the proposed new name, square-like.
Goodbye. We will meet in the next meeting, inshallah. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah wa barakatuh. Fi amanillah.